We will now look at breathing and the mechanism of ventilation. We know that we breathe in and we breathe out, but do you know how breathing actually works? We are seeing a human being breathe. We see the lungs inflate and deflate as the human inhales and exhales. So let's take a closer look at the lungs. The lungs are made of millions of tiny alveoli, which are air sacs that fill in with air when we inhale, and then this air exits them, and that's when we exhale. Now, let's pretend this person is exercising. Let's make this person go for a run. So, while this person is running, notice what is happening to their lungs. The breathing is becoming much faster. The lungs are inflating and deflating a lot faster. What do you think will happen if we go from running to walking? This is a walk, it's much slower. Suddenly the breathing rate slowed down. Now, if we jog, which is faster than walking but slower than running, we see that the breathing rate is somewhere in between when the person was walking and when the person was running. Now this person will be at rest, and this is the resting breathing rate. This is the breathing rate when you are at rest. So again, this is at rest. When you're walking, it becomes a little faster. When you're jogging, it becomes faster than when you are walking. And when you are running, it becomes the fastest. Why do you think breathing becomes faster when you are doing more exhaustive physical processes? The answer is in order to get more oxygen in faster and to take carbon dioxide out. This is oxygen going in and out of your lungs while you breathe, and this is carbon dioxide in blue exiting your lungs as you breathe. Notice how the flow of oxygen and carbon dioxide slows down at rest. So this is the very basics of the breathing mechanism.